The curry powder cashew marinade take these cauliflower tacos to another level. Fragrant, finger-licking good and so simple to pull off. This one is done in 30 minutes. In a small food processor, add all the ingredients except cauliflower. Place the florets on a large oven tray and pour the marinade on top. Mix well to ensure all the florets are completely coated. Bake for 15 minutes and then broil for a few minutes until charred. Time to get those tacos ready with your favorite fillings.